Hi there. Welcome to episode 1 of the New York State Employment Law Show. I'm Scott Peterson from Durazio Peterson, and the purpose of this show is to bring you information about employment law and employment questions that you might have in the state of New York. Our goal here is to give you some education to help you through what's probably a difficult time and to answer some questions that you might have. And the first question we're going to deal with today is the question of when it is that you should reach out to an attorney, and if you decide to hire an attorney, how you should go about doing that. Now, if you find that you're looking online, trying to find a lot of information, doing a lot of Googling and looking at a lot of so-called experts online, you probably are in a position where it would make sense for you to reach out to an attorney. There's a lot of people online who are providing information. Most of those people, if not all of them, don't know anything about your situation, don't know anything about what you're going through, and frankly, many of them aren't lawyers. That's important because employment legal issues are complicated, the law is technical, and it is very fact-specific. So if you find yourself looking for answers about very specific questions to you, to your situation, how do you handle sexual harassment at work, what do you do if an employer is treating you differently after a medical leave, questions like that, you're going to want to reach out to an attorney because you're going to want to talk about the specifics of your circumstances and get an answer based upon those specifics, get a guiding approach, thoughts about how to handle your situation specifically moving forward. There's lots of options and there's lots of different things you can do, so it's important that you speak with someone who's got some experience in the area. So if you've decided that you're going to hire a lawyer, how do you find one? Well, there's a number of different ways. You can ask your trusted colleagues, you can ask your friends, you can look online. If you look online, our suggestion is that you look for people who do this kind of work often, who have handled the kinds of cases that deal with situations similar to yours, who have written about these issues, who have satisfied clients in this area. Law is becoming more and more specialized, and you have to remember that you can't be everything to everyone, okay? So you really want to deal with an attorney who has dealt with these issues before and has some familiarity with the topic. Hopefully you found this information helpful. If you have questions about an employment law issue, please feel free to reach out to us. That's what we're here for, and those are the kind of things we do every day. Thank you.